Officials of Kaduna State Ministry of Health say no case of strange disease was recently recorded in the state as earlier reported. Report had emerged that a new disease outbreak was recorded in some states, including Kaduna. But the state government, at an event to mark the 2024 World Malaria Day in Kaduna, said such reports were not true. Trust TV's Bello Musa has more.
This is commemorating. This is Kulimashi community located in Kaduna Metropolis. One of the challenges of the community is the prevalence of mosquitoes that lead to frequent cases of malaria in the area. Residents here are celebrating the day with concerns about the prevalence of mosquitoes that spread the malaria.
Like in the night, if you come to this place, you see mosquitoes flying up and down, going up and down, getting into rooms, biting people. It used to bring it, so it will bring malaria. It bring malaria for people. So we don't know what to do. Please, if government can provide this net for us to be using, I think it's better.
Well, it has to do with personal hygiene, because number one, you have to have a clean environment to ensure that mosquitoes don't grow around you. You clean your bushes, make sure there's no stagnant water around and things like that. So these are the easiest way that mosquito can breed and can infect people.
In order to fight the disease that has affected communities like Kurmi-Mashi, Kaduna State joins their counterpart world over to mark the day by reflecting on the challenges of preventing the disease and the way forward.
Malaria is a disease of public health concern, with an estimated 247 million cases occurring globally. According to the World Malaria Report 2021, 27% of this burden occurs in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In addition to this, we have over 400,000 deaths related to this disease being recorded. A malaria indicator survey in Nigeria has placed the incidence of this disease among children under 5 in Kaduna State as high as 16%. The Kaduna State Ministry of Health has established a robust partnership with international and donor organizations.
Stakeholders say Nigeria alone accounts for more than 27% of the global malaria burden, as the country records about 55 million cases of malaria and approximately 90,000 malaria-related deaths.
I think with continuous sensitization, letting the citizens know what steps or what is their role in this fight, it will go a long way.
Every day is a malaria day because malaria is with us until we eradicate malaria completely, like some countries that did, like Cape Verde of recently eradicated malaria. There's no malaria in Cape Verde, like Algeria. Why don't our government take cue and have a very, very strong political will on malaria situation?
The Kaduna State epidemiologist Jeremiah Dako debunks report that Kaduna State recorded a strange disease recently.
For now, there's no strange disease in Kaduna State. We know it is in Sokoto State, as extended to Zamfara State, but for now we don't have it in Kaduna State at the moment. So since we have it, we are prepared. We have rapid response teams that are ready to respond to any illness.
World Malaria Day urges people to come together to prevent the spread of this disease. The theme for the 2024 is accelerating the fight against malaria for a more equitable world. Bello Musa, Trust TV News, Kaduna.
Residents of Imo State have urged the state government to intensify the fight against malaria in order to ensure a safer and healthier state. The call is coming on the sideline of the World Malaria Day celebration, where they expressed concern with the upsurge in malaria cases in the state. Trust TV's Ajibadi Praise tells us more.
Though activities commemorating the day were held at premises of the Ministry of Health in the state, most residents could not take part as they were busy with the pursuit of their daily bread. However, some of the respondents who spoke to Trust TV News said the government needs to step up their game in the fight against malaria.
If our government can give that opportunity to fumigate the area of living, people are living, I think that will be of help. First of all, that will be of help. If they can bring out time to do that, let it be a benefit to the people that they are ruling.
Yes, government can help because we are in the hardship now. Government can provide mosquito nets. It will go a long way. They can provide free medical care. It can help so much.
The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Austin Okoji, in response to the development, said the Governor Hope Uzodinma-led government is committed to ensuring that malaria is adequately addressed.
The government has great political will. His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, has given full support in terms of the malaria control program in the states, having made it possible that there is budget approval and there is equally budget release in support of interventions against malaria.
While some of the residents admitted that maintaining a clean environment can help combat the menace, Okoji urged residents to contribute their quota by complementing the government's effort in the fight against the scourge.
The people out there is that malaria is not good for your health. Try to keep your environment clean, avoid waterlogged area, try to tidy your environment.
I believe that people should wake up and sensitize the environment. Make sure that the environment is clean, neat and clean.
The residents themselves, the Imolites, and all those who are here who are vulnerable to the attack of malaria, own up the fight against malaria, be in the position to ensure that the environmental factors that engender the growth and the spread of the vectors, the female Anopheles mosquitoes, is seriously ended.
The theme of this year's World Malaria Day, according to the World Health Organization, WHO, is accelerating the fight against malaria for a more equitable world. Ajibade Praise, Trust TV News, Owerri.